could like... Woo!
Oh man.
I could hear you pulling up.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
With it.
Very cool. All right. Hey guys, so for today's episode, we've got Alex here.
What's up, what's up?
And Alex brought his G37x Coupe. And I can't remember, do you have the ISR for the 350Z or the 370?
The 370.
Okay, cool. So we installed the ISR exhaust on his car, and clearly it's not a 370Z. Here at Mills Garage Customs, we actually install the ISR exhaust on these Nissans and Infinitis all the time, and we do that by fabricating a custom mid-pipe to make it all actually fit. So if you want to check out how we do that, we've got a video up here in the corner. Definitely check that out when you get a chance. But so today, we have this installed without a bottle resonator, and that's an option that we normally offer because the bottle resonators clean up the sound a little bit, they clean up the rasp. So generally speaking, how do you feel about it being straight piped at the moment?
It's not the best sounding, it makes the pops a lot louder, but it needs to sound a lot better.
Okay, so we're gonna be cleaning up the exhaust today by installing an 18-inch bottle resonator. Got over here. And this is 18 inches, this is 3 inches, and then this is 4 in the middle. And then what that's gonna do is it's gonna clean up the sound. So we are going to be doing some Fly-Bys and Revs with the car as it is right now with the straight pipe. And then we're gonna install this real quick and then let you guys hear at home how it sounds with the Fly-Bys and Revs afterwards. Then you guys can let us know down below which one you like. Woo! Hit it again. Woo! All right, cool.
Vibrates the ground.
Yeah, right, I can feel that. It's like thunder. Sure, yeah. Woo! Wow. Well, he shoots flames too. Wow. Oh, that is beautiful. And he wants to switch it up? Wow. Wow. I'm not sure what it sounds like in the car, but you sure you want to switch this up?
Yeah.
All right.
The rasp is killing me.
Hey, no worries. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get you on the lift, switch up his exhaust, and then we'll do this again.
Yeah. Sound good?
Yeah. So, got the new bottle resonator in there. The ISR exhaust going on. So now, we're gonna lower the car down, rev it up, show you guys how it sounds. Do you want to start it or? Yeah, cool. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, right? Yeah, here, go ahead and back it out. We'll do the Fly-Bys. Yeah! That's awesome.
That sounds like a track, you know, road race car.
That's what, yo.
It's got good sound.
That's a compliment. Thank you. Woo! All right. Yeah. Cool. Yo, Noel's working on the car.
I like that.
Woo!
That sound, yeah.
Aha.
Cuts out right back.
Yeah, it's like a click. Wow.
Yeah.
Everyone likes it. It's awesome. Cool. Woo! Yeah. It's a little more tame.
Yeah. Not as like crackly.
Yeah. Well, we'll see about that. 5 seconds. Super tame now. I want to hear that like AK backfire though.
Yeah.
Pew, 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 pew.
Make it do the bang bang boom.
Yeah, do one more with like fire. Yeah, fire and make it the AK sound.
Still has a slight brass, but it's not as extreme as it was.
Yeah. Setting the computer.
Flame map on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the charger's starting up.
Yes. Yes. It still does it. Beautiful. You.
Ricochet that these buildings have is badass.
All right.
Can I get a couple of your business cards? I'm going to the dealership in a couple of days.
Cool.
And I keep getting asked about doing lift kits on stock cars. And and I'm like, once I get one of the cards, I'll give it to you.
Woo! Yo! That is awesome! Yo!
Better?
That's free.
Yeah.
Woo!
It's like over the top anymore.
Cool! That is awesome. Woo! Yep, so that is bottle resonator versus no resonator, and if you made it this far, you liked the video. So make sure to smash that like button down below, make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We've got so much more coming up. So now, I'm gonna clean his throttle bodies. If you need anything done to your car, hit us up in the comments down below, or you can text me, it's in the description. But yeah. Woo! Awesome work. You. Cool. Woo. That is beautiful, man. Awesome.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time.
Alex is gonna get to hear now. Like it?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Sweet. Race car! Race car. Race car. Race car. That's awesome. All right.